Section 3.7, example 53, integrating a discontinuous integrand. So evaluate from 0 to 2 and x. Okay, so state whether the integral converges or diverges. Okay, I see the problem. We are not able to plug 0 into ln. So what we're going to do is approach 0, but this time from the right side. So 0 is our problem this time. We're evaluating from 0 to 2. We're going to pick 0 from the right side because at 0, we're not really able to do much with that. So we're taking the limit as a approaches 0 from the right, from a to 2, x ln of x dx. All right, now from here, we're going to have to use integration by parts because we don't really have a way of integrating ln of x at the moment. So we're going to let u equal ln of x. And we're going to let dv equal x dx. Du is going to be equal to 1 over x dx. V is going to be equal to 1 over 2x squared. And then we could use our integration by parts. So the limit as a approaches 0 from the right, a to 2. Actually, not that yet. So u times v, we have 1 over 2 x squared ln of x minus the integral of v du, and integral as the integral from a to 2 of v du. So we have 1 over 2 x squared times 1 over x dx. So simplifying that, we have the limit as a approaches 0 from the right side, 1 over 2 x squared ln of x minus the integral from a to 2. We'll plug or pull that 1/2 out here. We're left with just x dx here. And we can integrate that. So the limit as a approaches 0 from the right, 1 over 2x squared times ln of x minus 1 over 2 times another 1 over 2. So that's going to be 1 over 4 x to the power 2, evaluated from a to 2. And now let's evaluate. So we have still the limit as a approaches 0 from the right, 1 over 2 times 2 squared ln of 2 minus 1 over 4 2 squared. And we're subtracting as we go 1 over 2 a squared ln of a minus 1 over 4 a squared. And a is going to go to 0. So it doesn't even matter that this goes to a very, very negative number. It's still being multiplied to 0. So this is going to go, so this goes to negative infinity. But because we're multiplying it by 0, this whole thing is just going to go to 0. Same thing here. This goes to 0. So let's evaluate this part here. So we have 1 over 2 divided by, or 2 squared divided by 2 is going to be 2 times ln of 2 minus 2 squared is 4 divided by 4 is going to be just 1. And there we go. Yep, there we go. That's our solution. And what did they ask? State whether it converges or diverges. So this limit or this integral converges to the value of 2 ln of 2 minus 2. And there we go. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. Otherwise, bye.